Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about circle and its parts. So let's start from circle. It is a collection of points at the same distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called center. In this figure, point C is the center of the circle. If we measure the distance from this fixed point to the outer boundary, the distance is equal always. Okay. Or a circle, we can say about the circle as it is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. As you know that a polygon means a simple closed curve which is made up of only line segment. So the circle is not made up of the line segment, so we can say that it is not a polygon. So now move to the parts of the circle. First one is, here we will discuss about the radius. Radius is the straight line connecting the center of the circle to the boundary of same. Okay, boundary of the same circle. The line that connects the center of the circle to the boundary of the same circle. Here, this line is the radius of the circle. If we draw a line from here to the boundary of the circle, that line segment is known as radius of the circle. In plural form, radius is known as radii. Radii is the plural form of radius. Now come to the diameter. It is a straight line from one side of the circle to the another side, passing through center of the circle. The line that connects the 2 points on the boundary and passes through the center also. That line is known as diameter. Okay, or you can say about the diameter as diameter is the double of radius. That is d equal to, we can write as 2r. As here it is 1r and the another side it is 1r. So d equal to, we can say that it is double of radius. Diameter is the double of radius. The straight line that passes through the center and connects both sides of the circle. Now move to the circumference of the circle. It refers to the boundary of the circle. The outer boundary of the circle is known as circumference. If we measure the length of the boundary moves around once is known as circumference. Now come to chord. Any line that connects the 2 points, okay, any line that connects the 2 points on the boundary of the circle, that is known as chord. Here this one is the chord, the red line. If we draw one more line, if I connect here, this line segment is known as chord. If we join any 2 points in the circle, okay, inside the circle, that is known as chord. Okay, any line that connects the 2 points on the boundary of the circle, that is known as chord. And diameter is one of the chord, that is the longest chord. Okay, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now come to arc. It is the portion of the boundary of the circle. If we select any portion of the boundary, that is known as arc. Look at here. Here there are 3 points A, B and C. These are the 3 points. If we select any portion, here suppose we select A to C, that part is known as arc of the circle. If we select C to B, this part, okay, this boundary is known as arc of the circle. Here this is an arc, this one is the another arc, this is the third arc. Okay, in this way you can say about the arc, it is the portion of the boundary of circle. If we select any part of the boundary of the circle, then we can say that that is a arc. Next come to the interior of the circle. As you have already discussed, this interior, exterior and boundary for all, that is curve, polygon, triangle and quadrilateral. Here we will discuss that about the circle. The area of the boundary of the circle, okay, area inside the boundary of the circle is called the interior of the circle. The space that present inside the circle, that is known as interior of the circle. Now come to the exterior. The space that present outside, okay, area outside the boundary of the circle is known as exterior of the circle. It is same as that one. The space that present inside the circle is the interior of the circle. The space surrounded by circle, or you can say that outside the circle, is known as exterior of the circle. Okay. Now come to sector. So it is the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc. Okay. It is the region of the circle that is enclosed by arc on one side and a pair of radii. One side it is the arc, here is the arc, and enclosed by pair of radii. Okay, pair of radius on the other two sides. These are the two radius. So this space between this is known as sector. Okay, the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by arc on one side and pair of radii on the other two sides. That part is known as sector. Now move to the segment. Segment. It is the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and a chord. Here is the chord, okay, and another one is the arc. The space that present in between an arc and a chord is known as segment. Okay. Next move to, so these are the parts, that is arc, sector, segment and chord. Okay, and radius also. Last one is semicircle. Okay, semicircle means, semi means simply half. If we divide a circle into equal parts, that is known as semicircle. A diameter divides the circle into two semicircle. Okay, diameter is the longest line that passes through center of the circle. If we divide two equal part, okay, if we divide from the diameter, it divides the circle into two equal part. Hence, we get the semicircle. Okay, that is the half of the circle, which has the diameter as the part of the boundary of the semicircle. Okay, in the semicircle, diameter is also a part of the boundary. Look at here. Here are the two part of the semicircle. Here, this side one part and this is the another part. Both are the part of the semicircle. This also can be viewed in this way. Look at this one. Here, this is the boundary. Okay, diameter is also a part of the boundary. In semicircle, if we measure the circumference or the length of the boundary, we have to include the diameter also. Okay, that's all. Thank you.